हरिः कर्ता।
Now it's time to do some advanced activities. So now let's plot dates and strings. Dates and strings. So Matplotlib can handle plotting arrays of dates and arrays of strings as well as floating point numbers. So these get special locators and formatters as appropriate. So let's look into the dates first. Okay, so plotting dates and strings. I'll type three, and out of this, the first one is first we'll look into the dates. Yeah, let's take one example. As usual, I'll just copy from top instead of writing this every time. Yeah, so I'll remove this grid. We'll go with the single grid. We'll go with the fixed size and then only two arguments and execute, and here is your plot. So now let's create a dates array. For that, np dot arrange and np dot date time 64. So approximately I want this format. It's 2023 and 1. I'll go with 0 1 and then 12. Clear? So then after that, what we have is the second. That's the first argument. In the second argument, we'll have a date times 64 again. So this time I'll give an upper limit. So upper limit would be, okay, what I'll do, I'll take this is as a 0 1 and till here. So 0 1 till 0 3 and 1 5. And the third argument would be np dot time delta 64. So that makes you the day. So I want the difference of days and h and execute. So leading zeros in decimal integer literals are not permitted. Use 0 o prefix or octal integers. Okay, got it. I got it. Yeah. So now at position 5, error parsing datetime string at position 5. Okay, I'll go with the previous year's data. Let me go with 21 11 15. So all red and 21 12 25. Okay, we just need just 1 month of data. Not converting an integer to numpy datetime requires a specified unit. So we have mentioned the unit. It's 1 and then h. That's okay. Now let's add few more things to this. So data, it is equals to npy and cum sum, and this might be in y-axis. np dot random dot rand n and len of dates. That's okay. Yeah, we got the plot on x and y-axis. So now let's draw plot with the specific dates on x-axis and data on y-axis. Let's draw that. Ax dot plot. So let's draw time series data. So ax dot plot and dates and data, and execute it, and here is your plot. So on x-axis you should see dates, and on y-axis you should see the count, or basically data. So now we will do small modifications in this, such as, let's configure this. We'll use tick mark locator, and then we'll format that. Let's locate the major ticks and format them, because it's clustered, everything clustered and stacked together, so it doesn't represent well, it doesn't look well, and it doesn't convey the proper message to us. So that's the reason I would like to tick it and format it. So let's take cdf, that's the variable name, and mpl, so dates, and concise, sorry, in dates I'll go to concise date converter or date formatter. Let's go for the date formatter, and inside that we have to give one argument, that is ax. What is that argument? We have to attach the locator. So ax x-axis, and then we'll get the get major locator. You see that, major locator, and after that we can use a major formatter. Okay, yeah, now we have located that. Now we have to format that. So ax dot x-axis dot set major formatter of cdf, that's what we have given, and here is that clearly. So 15/22 December, and then 8/15/22. So these are the dates, these are the before, and 2021 December. So this is how we can, it started with the 15/22, then we came to the month and into the December, this is November, then in December 8th 15/22. So at this moment December month is going on. If we change the dates slightly, let me to take 2023, let me check 2022 and 2022, and here is that 15/22 December, and it's 2022 December. Clear? And I'm just gonna increase the number of months. Let's see how it goes. And here is that. So 15, then November 15, then December 15. So now I'm gonna increase, bring it to 8. Is no such 08, and here you can see that 15 September, October, November, December. So what I'm gonna bring it to 2023 01. Oh, okay, I'm gonna do one more thing. 2023 22 10 15 till 2023 today 15. So 03 15, I'll make it to 15, and here is the data. See, November, December 2023, then inside that here January comes, and then Feb and March. So this is how we plot dates using strings. This is how we plot dates. So